Now let's cut to the rap scene. Yes, the rapper Sean Paul is in India and he got talking about his Indian experience, and of course he's having some experience, but the best part is he's like everybody else before him who's coming from the West says that I want to work in India, I want to do something with Bollywood, and he's gonna certainly get to do that in good time. But first off, of course, let's cut to the music. Gotta get the right tactics to turn you on, and girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. And while we're doing all of this, let's tell you what's hot and happening, but not in Bollywood, over in Hollywood, where of course James Bond is ruling the roost, but that's not the only thing that's happening.
Good news for all you girls. Hollywood heartthrob Leonardo DiCaprio is apparently single again. Rumor has it that the 37-year-old actor has split from his model girlfriend Erin. Leo and Victoria's Secret star Erin started dating in December. But the pair didn't manage to make it even to their first anniversary, as they decided to part ways much before. According to the reports, the ex-pair's hectic work schedules is to be blamed for the breakup. On to the Sex and the City star Sarah Jessica Parker. The actor was spotted taking a stroll with her twins, Tabitha and Marion. The cute daughters might be all of 3, but played little mothers to perfection. The girls enjoyed pushing their baby dolls in matching pretty pink strollers as they accompanied their parents for lunch. Sarah was snapped wrapped up in a warm and grey coat, ditching her usual high heels for some stylish boots. The girls were dressed as stylishly as their fashionista mother. Pam is back on the watch. Baywatch beauty Pamela Anderson returns to the water for a cause. As Pam poses in an itsy-bitsy wetsuit, the actor takes up the campaign to save the whales. While the 45-year-old is known for her curves, Pamela kept her stunning figure under wraps in a form-fitting black wetsuit. The actor in the past has volunteered for people for the ethical treatment of animals and has taken part in campaigns against seal hunting in Canada. Entertainment Bureau headlines today.